Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a box and whisker chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, I have the sample data created myself on the screen right now. And first we will be seeing the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep understanding about the code which has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our box and whisker chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our output will look after creating the chart code inside our VBA Editor. Now let's have a look and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see, this is our VBA Editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. The first step which we have to take to create this chart is to select a single cell inside our data range. As you can see, this is my data range and I have selected a single cell in my data. And then what we are going to do is we are going to create the chart using this line of code. What this line means is it says active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we have to give some parameters to create this chart. The first parameter will be always a chart value. So each and every chart has its own value. So for our video, the chart value for box and whisker chart is 406. Once you have given this value, we have to mention the chart type. As you can see that this is our chart type, and the chart type is Excel box whisker. Once you have given the chart type, we are going to mention the top position and the left position of our chart. As you can see, this chart will be placed over here in the E9 cell over here. So once you have given this, our chart will be ready, but it's not sufficient. So what we are going to do is we are going to select the chart after creating it. So to do that, we are going to close the brackets after giving the parameters, and we are going to type dot select over here. Once you have typed this, your chart will be selected automatically, and after that we are going to use a with statement to make our chart look good and be more presentable in front of our boss. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to use a with statement, and what we are going to type, we are going to type with active chart. So as you can see that we have selected our chart over here, and once selected it becomes our active chart. Once it is active chart, then we can use a with statement saying with active chart, and then we can set the elements as well as we can set our chart title. Let's see how we can do. So once you have written active chart, below that you have to mention dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element data label show. What this line of code is helping us is it is showing the data labels present on the chart. As you can see, each and every data has its own label presented inside our chart. And after that, what we are going to do is we are going to set our legends on top. As you can see, our legends are on top. So to do that, we have to type dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element legend top. Once you have written this line will help you to set the elements on top as shown on the chart. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines inside our chart. So as you can see that we have set two elements over here to remove the grid lines. The first element will be dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element primary category grid lines name, and the next one will be dot set element MSO element primary value grid lines name. These both lines of code will help you to remove the grid lines inside your chart. Once the grid lines has been removed, we are going to set our chart title. So to set our chart title, we have to inform VBA that our chart has also a title. So to inform our VBA, what we are going to do is we are going to type .has title equals to true. This line ensures that the VBA is informed that the created chart has a title as well. Once you have given this command, next what we are going to do is we are going to type .chart title .text equals to and then the name of our chart. So for our video, it is Box and Whisker Chart in VBA Excel. Once you have given this chart, your chart title will be created. Also, you can modify this as per your convenience. And after that, what we are going to do is we are going to end the with statement as created over here. So we are going to end the with statement below by using end with. Once you have ended the with statement, as you can see, initially we have selected our chart over here. So to deselect this chart, what we are going to do is we are going to select this empty cell inside a worksheet by using range d3.select. Remember, this cell can be changed, and I would recommend you that this should be the empty cell for any data purposes. And that's all. Congratulations, you have learned how to create a box whisker chart in VBA Excel. And if you want to learn more about the VBA visualization in Excel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.